Hello friends, it's me. Today we are going to see how we can solve last layer of 3x3 Rubik's Cube. This tutorial will be for both intermediate as well as beginner level. If you are beginner and you know how to solve two layers but you are unable to solve last layer, then this video will be helpful for you. And also if you know the last layer with beginners level, so this will be kind of little advancement of your beginners level part of for solving last layer. So let's start. In this video we are going to use three kind of moves. Like the layer which we are solving should be facing upwards, and we are going to use three moves. Like first should be this up move, this is called U, and inverse of that U dash, front F and F dash, and right R and R dash. So we are going to use combination of these three moves to solve last layer of 3x3 Rubik cube. We will be using 4 steps to solve last layer of 3x3 Rubik's cube. If you want to know more basics and more about notation, then you can click this icon to check the previous video, and where I have mentioned detail about what are the notation, what are the faces, edges, corner and everything. First part, we will solve these 4 edges. The process called edge orientation. So we will orient all the edges so the final result should be like this. The plus sign should present, and just ignore these corners. We are focusing on these edges only. So actually you could have multiple condition, like 2 are oriented correctly, we could have 0 are oriented correctly. So we will start with 0. If you have 0 face oriented, then you have to place cube like this, means anywhere you can start, but this should be facing upwards. And just apply this particular set of move, this algorithm. F R U R dash U dash F dash, and after that you will see like 2 of the edge are oriented correctly, these 2. And if you find condition like 2 are oriented, so you have to place cube like this, opposite, kind of opposite L. Ignore these corners, just focus on this and this part, and apply very same algorithm will with opposite L. If you have the opposite L, F R U R dash U dash F dash, that L will be converted to kind of horizontal line. And whenever you find horizontal line, apply same algorithm, but don't make it vertical, apply via horizontal only. F R U R dash U dash F dash, and after that you will see your all the edges has been oriented correctly. Next step, we have corner orientation. Now we will orient all these corner pieces, so the final result should be like this. We could have multiple condition, like 1 is correctly oriented, we could have 2 are correctly oriented, we could have 0 are correctly oriented. So we will start with when only 1 is correctly oriented. Whenever we find a condition where only we have only 1 piece correctly oriented, then keep that piece on the left like this, and apply this algorithm. You cannot apply from this, you have to apply like it is the left front, you can say left front part, and you might have to apply this particular set of move up to 2 times. So algorithm is R U R dash U R U2 R dash, and I said you might have to apply up to 2 times. So whenever you find a piece, again placing on the very left front and applying again R U R dash U R U2 R dash, and your all corners will be oriented correctly. Next condition we could have where 2 of the corner pieces are correctly oriented. It could be adjacent or opposite. Whenever you find such condition, then place your cube like this when one of the any of the corner piece which has yellow tile should face towards you. Like there is no tile currently facing towards me. This is only condition when one of the tile is facing towards me. So means this is the correct position. And apply very same algorithm, R U R dash U R U2 R dash. So it will create that first condition where we have only one correctly piece oriented. And if we have one piece, then we know how to solve this. Apply with the very same algorithm, R U R dash U R U2 R dash. One more time, placing the correct corner piece on the left, R U R dash U R U2 R dash, and you will find all your corners are correctly oriented. Another example where we have two pieces are correctly oriented, but this time these are opposite. So again we have to think like the leftmost piece should be facing towards you, that yellow tile. This condition, this is also facing towards me, but it is on right. So place cube like this and apply the very same algorithm, R U R dash U R U2 R dash. So you will find that first condition, every time we are reducing to first condition where only one piece is correctly oriented, and apply the very same algorithm. If we have this condition, R U R dash U R U2 R dash, again R U R dash U R U2 R dash. Next condition we could have where zero corner piece are correctly oriented like this. There is no correctly oriented corner present. So in this case we will find headlights of yellow tiles. Headlight, I mean this kind of pair. We could have one pair or we could have two pair. If you have two pair, then that's fine. And if you have one pair, in both case you have to place your headlights facing towards left like this. You cannot apply from here. The headlight should face on the left, and apply the very same algorithm, R U R dash U R U2 R dash. And again we have reduced to first condition, R U R dash U R U2 R dash. This is double headlight condition. We have headlight present here as well as here as well. So same, you have to place any of the headlight on the left and apply the algorithm, R U R dash U R U2 R dash, and again it will reduce to our very first case, R U R dash U R U2 R dash. Next step is corner permutation. Means we will place all the corners to its correct position. So the final result should be like this. You can see all the corners are matching perfectly fine. So to make this happen, we will apply T permutation. This is called T permutation, and what it does, it will swap these two corners and these two edges at the very same time. Means if I apply this, these two pieces will be swapped and these two pieces will be swapped. So it is making T shape kind of. That's why it's called T permutation. So to make this happen, you have to find headlights, and if you don't have headlights, say like this, then you can apply from any face. So you can see I don't have any headlights, I don't have any matching pair of corners actually. Then I can apply from any face. Of course this will be our upper face, and apply the algorithm, R U R dash U dash R dash F R2 U dash R dash U dash R U R dash F dash. So you can see it will create kind of headlight here. It has created. So every time you find headlight, if you already have present, then place that headlight on the left. I cannot apply from here, I cannot apply from back, I cannot apply from here now. Listen carefully, you have to place this headlight on the left. and apply T permutation again because we don't have headlight here. R U R dash U dash R dash F R2 U dash R dash U dash R U R dash F dash, and you can see all the corners are correctly permuted. Last and final step called edge permutation. Now we will place all the edges to its correct position, so the final cube will be solved. We will use something called UAPerm. What it does, it will swap these three edge, it will cycle actually these three. We could have condition like one is correctly placed, you can see, or all are correctly placed. You cannot have condition like two are mismatching or one is mismatching. We could have one correctly placed or all correctly placed. Like here in this case only one piece is correctly placed, other are not matching. So first I'll make a condition like where zero of the edges are matching, like this. You can see zero edge pieces are matching. So you can apply, if you have zero matching from any face, let's say this, and apply the algorithm R U dash R U R U R U dash R dash U dash R2. So it will match at least one at a time. So you can see it has matched and these three are remaining. So if you find condition where one is correctly placed, then place that piece on the back, because this algorithm will cycle these three pieces. So now this is solved. Place this on the back like this and apply the same algorithm. You might have to apply up to 2 times, of course, because it will cycle these three pieces. So cycle means if this goes here, this goes here. So you might have to apply up to 2 times maximum. So applying again in this condition where our correct piece at the very back, R U dash R U R U R U dash R dash U dash R2. So I said you might have to apply up to 2 times. So applying again R U dash R U R U R U dash R dash U dash R2, and your cube is solved now. This will be a sample solve. First is edge orientation. So we have two are correctly oriented. So we will place like opposite L and apply the edge orientation algorithm F R U R dash U dash F dash. Now we have horizontal line. We cannot apply like this. We have to apply like it is horizontal. Ignore these corners. F R U R dash U dash F dash. Now we will have face for corner orientation. We have to are correctly oriented, and we will place cube like this where left tile is facing towards me. R U R dash U R U2 R dash. Now one is correctly oriented corner, R U R dash U R U2 R dash. One more time, R U R dash U R U2 R dash. Now next is corner permutation. We already have one tile, so we have to place our this is already a pair headlights. So we have to place headlight on the left and apply T permutation R U R dash U dash R dash F R2 U dash R dash U dash R U R dash F dash. So our corners now solved. Now edge permutation. We don't have any single edge solved, so we will apply from any face. R U dash R U R U R U dash R dash U dash R2. One is solved now. Placing that edge piece at the back and applying again. R U dash R U R U R U dash R dash U dash R2, and your cube is solved now. So this was the last layer 3x3 Rubik cube tutorial for intermediate level. If you have any confusion, any question, then you can comment down below. And if you like this video, give a thumbs up.